The Control4 remote recharging station includes an elegant, low-profile charging cradle that keeps your system remote control fully charged and ready at all times. Charging your system remote is easy. Simply place the remote flat in the cradle. Magnetic contacts on both the remote and cradle ensure a reliable charging connection. An indicator on the cradle tells you when your remote is fully charged. This indicator can be dimmed or even turned off for dark rooms such as home theaters and bedrooms. The remote includes a lithium polymer battery pack, providing hundreds of charge cycles and years of performance. Existing Control4 system remotes can easily be modified with a rechargeable battery pack. Simply remove the existing AA batteries and battery cover, then insert the new lithium polymer battery pack and cover in its place. Next, update the remote to recognize the new rechargeable battery. Finally, ensure that the charging cradle's power supply is plugged into an AC outlet and place the remote in the charging cradle. Once the charging indicator turns green, your system remote is ready to use. The remote recharging station requires a Control4 system running OS 2.4 or later. Be sure to contact your Control4 dealer to get more details and place an order.